Hello everybody, I'm Gemma from Concrete Gems Crochet and I'm here today with a little stitch tutorial. Have you ever seen in a pattern front post double crochet, back post double crochet and been completely confused? Well, let me explain it all for you. So when we normally do a crochet stitch, we work into these top loops and we go through both of the loops for a regular single crochet, double crochet, but there are other ways to work. You might have seen people referring to working in the back loops. That would be just working through this loop here, or through the front loops, which would be this loop. And then you have posts as well. So these are front post double crochets. I'm talking in US terms here. That's a front post treble crochet in UK terms. So these are front post, these 5, and you can see that they kind of are around the body of the stitch below. So I've got 2 rows of US double crochet, UK treble crochet first here, and then I've got these 5 stitches are front post double crochets, and these 5 stitches are back post double crochets. So you can see, if you look, you can see that is where the stitch is going around. So it's going around the stitch, around the post of the stitch. So on these double crochets, we call this bit, or this bit here, the post. So for a front post double crochet, when you insert your hook, I'll show you the stitch properly in a minute, you are going from the front around the post like that. When you're doing a back post double crochet, you insert your hook from the back around the post like that. Okay, so let us now do some stitches. Obviously, the other thing to be aware of is that they look different on the back. So these are my back post, these are my back post double crochets, and if we look at them on this side, they look like they're on the front. So when you turn, your stitches are going to be the other way around. Okay, and if you're doing other stitches in between your post stitches, I wouldn't do a double crochet. So I'm going to do a half double crochet stitch here to start, just because it's a half treble crochet in UK terms, just because you're working around the post rather than around the into the main bit of the stitch like you normally would in there. Because you're working around the post, the stitch is going to be slightly lower down. Okay, so I'm going to yarn over and I'm going to insert my hook around this post. So we're doing front post double crochets first. So we go in and then out again at the front. Grab the yarn, pull it through. You've got 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So we do it again, yarn over, insert the hook around the post from front to back, and then grab a stitch, pull it through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, I'll do 3 more, just so you can watch how it goes. Okay, so there you can see those are my 5 front post double crochets, and you can see that they're working around the post from below, and it creates a kind of stripe. So you can create some really great stitches just by alternating front post and back post stitches. That's a really lovely way to create ribbing. You can imagine that it creates a kind of stripe as you do. You can also create a stitch called basket weave stitch, which is a really lovely stitch. I'll do a tutorial for that at some point soon. So that's the front post double crochet. Let's move on to the back post double crochet. So I'm just doing a half double crochet here to separate them off in the middle. So the back post, we yarn over again, then we have to kind of wiggle our hook around the back. So we're going around this post. So if I move these stitches down, you can see there's the stitch. So we're coming in from the back to the front and then back to the back again, okay? It is kind of awkward, and then you're going to yarn over. So I'll turn it up so you can hopefully see. Yarn over and pull through the loop there, and then you yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two. Okay, let's go again. Yarn over. So this is the post we want to work around here. So we're going to go in from the back, over the top of the stitch and back to the back. Grab the yarn, pull it back through, and then we pull through two, pull through two. Okay, I'll show you one more time. Yarn over, into the back, yarn over, pull through. Have to be careful you don't snag any stitches when you're pulling it back through, because it is a little bit awkward, but it's, yeah, once you get used to it, it's quite nice to do. Hope you can see that. Let me try and show you again. Yarn over, into that stitch, through the back, grab the yarn, pull it back through again, pull through two, pull through two. And of course you can do front and back post stitches with any size of stitch. It doesn't have to be the US double crochet, UK treble crochet, it can be any. And then I'll just finish off with a half double crochet there. And as you can see, the back post stitches creates this lovely ridge, and the front post creates these stripes. But on the other side, it'll be the other way around. So I'd really love for you to have a go at this stitch. It's great fun. As I said, you can use it for ribbing, you can use it in the basket weave stitch. It's also just a really lovely textured stitch, and you'll find it in lots and lots of different crochet patterns. So I really recommend you give it a go and see what you think. Thanks for watching, and I will speak to you again soon. Bye!